What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign out and unlink EA account from Battlefield 6. Start by opening any web browser, go to Google, type EA account into the search bar and open the first link that takes you to the official EA website. Once you're on the site, click the profile icon in the top right corner and select sign in. Choose your login method, whether that's through your platform account or by using your email or phone number. After you sign in, you'll be brought back to the main EA homepage. Click the profile icon again and go to account settings. On the left hand side, scroll down and select connected accounts. Here, you'll see all the platforms linked to your EA account such as PlayStation, Xbox or Steam. Find the platform you wanna disconnect and click unlink on the right side. A warning message will appear explaining what happens when you unlink your account. Read through it, check the confirmation box and then select unlink to complete the process. Once your account is unlinked, close Battlefield 6 if it is running, open the game again and it will now prompt you to sign into a new EA account. That's all you need to do to unlink your EA account from Battlefield 6. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.